Well, I just heard a saying, son, she's not like this with everyone. She's leaving me to contemplate the letters on her number plate. Why? Why? Heard another saying, son, there's no such thing as a bit of fun. You're holding back the will to win and hanging where the bad begin. And I just found a friend within, and so far I relate to him. There's not a judge, the jury in. No, I can be just anything I want. Why? Why? So beautiful, it's got me spun. What else could I